Hi there! I was just having a little fun over here, which is our topic for today. In French, we say le loisir. We will talk about likes and dislikes on a daily basis, and this is going to be our topic for today. We're going to learn how to express a little bit our opinions, at least about our likes and dislikes, and we're going to start off with some basic words, some basic verbs that we use in order to do that. For example, adorer, détester, aimer or ne pas aimer means basically to like or to dislike something. Adorer, aimer means to like or to love. Détester or ne pas aimer means to dislike, right, or to hate something. For example, j'aime écouter de la musique, aller au cinéma, regarder la télé et partir en vacances, which means that I like to listen to music, to go to the cinema, and to also watch TV and go into trips or onto trips on different holidays and so on. However, I don't really like sport. Je n'aime pas, je déteste faire du sport. Now, you give it a try. What are your likes or dislikes? And help yourselves with some magic words over here. Take a pause, and then we're going to talk a little bit about the particularities of the verbs used to describe le loisir. Well, now you probably noticed I used some different verbs in order to express my hobbies. That's because the structure that you have to follow in order to express hobbies or express your likes, your dislikes, goes a little bit like this. I know it's a little bit scary at first, but let's review some examples. For example, we may have generally verbs that are followed by what we call in French direct objects. Generally, it's something that is unique in itself. For example, j'aime le vélo or je déteste le sport. The sport or the bike is something unique, is something singular, right? And the thing is, I either love it or hate it. And when I say what do I love, I say I love that little something, and it's very specific. Then we can have je n'aime pas la piscine, right? It follows the same pattern. Je regarde la télé. I watch TV. Or je lis un livre. I read a book sometimes. The thing is, you can also have verbs that follow different structures with prepositions. So, in that case, we have aller à, which means basically to go to some place. A in that sentence is a preposition used to describe a place, to describe the place you are going to, you are heading to. All right. Also, there are certain cases when a may be used, let's say, in a standard manner, and it doesn't express necessarily a place. Uh, for example, we have jouer aux jeux vidéo to play some games, right? Some console games. Then we also have verbs that are used with the preposition de, which are followed by an indirect object, usually. Usually it is uncountable, meaning that we cannot say for sure that it is only one of them. We know that a sport is only one. I know that a bike is only one. We only ride one bike at a time. But for example, if we are talking about écouter de la musique, we don't know which music we listen to. I mean, other person that is not in touch with our conversation may not know what kind of music we are listening to right now. Yeah, do you understand what I'm saying? Tell me in the comments if you have any questions. Also, you may have verbs that are followed by un, which, for example, I've used partir en vacances, which is similar to another word that is frequently used to describe travel, which is voyager. It means to travel, obviously. So that would be it for today's lesson. And the thing is, I would like to also give you a little bit of an exercise, and I hope to see your comments down below with, let's say, how you would use different prepositions or no prepositions, obviously, in order to complete a text when talking about likes or dislikes and so on. I'm going to attach the text in the following seconds, and I hope that you will you will get it right, or at least tell me in the comments how many you got it, and also if you have any questions based on it. I hope that you're all going to have a great day, and for now, bye bye.